Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name on Android. So you changed your contact's name and it will not appear. So how do I see it? First, don't expect that if you changed your number, you changed your contact name, it will change like immediately. Of course it won't, and to update the contact's number, you should exit from your WhatsApp at least and then enter in again. If it didn't help, you're gonna go to your device settings, app management, WhatsApp, or just you can do it by pressing and holding to WhatsApp application and choose info button. Go to storage usage and clear cache. You can also force stop and then go to clear cache. Then go to WhatsApp again and it should be done. But if this doesn't help you, you can also go to WhatsApp support and write them about your problem. For example, I'm going to show you. For example, I'm going to change my contact's name. As you can see, it doesn't change immediately. I exit from WhatsApp, it changed. But if it didn't, of course, just follow the steps that I showed you before and it should help you. But if it didn't, again, you can try to restart your phone, it may also help you. And if also this didn't help you, just go to WhatsApp support and write them about your problem and they will answer you about within 3 or 4 hours. And that's it. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video will helpful for you. If it was, please make sure you liked and subscribed to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.